Get out.
Hacky lunch for my husband. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. Hey. We are officially less than 24 hours from me getting my procedure. We just arrived to our Airbnb and we're looking for the AC because it's okay. Chochi found it. It is pretty hot in here. It's a cool little, you know, cozy little spot. It's cool. Let me give you guys a little tour. This is the living room. I was thinking of sleeping here because it does have stairs. So I don't know. I don't know what we're gonna do. Maybe right here we can put like the waterproof sheet here. I should have brought my freaking wedges, pillows or something. I don't know, acomodarme aquí if I don't want to get up on top of the, like up the stairs. But those are the vibes. This is the kitchen, the fridge. Chochi already found the AC. Should I turn it on? Our little fridge, our kitchen where Chochi's gonna be cooking all of my meals.
The heater was on. The winter was 75,000.
There's Chochi. You guys may hear her, not see her. She has lost 17 pounds, guys. She is queen. It's a 3-bedroom, 3 bath, because there's a bath downstairs and there's 2 baths up here. This is the master. This is where we will be sleeping. Oh, maybe. Because I don't even, maybe today for sure, yeah. Chochi's like, I call dibs, girl. I don't know what's going on with my little Jimbo. This is our little, the master bath. We humbly ask that you please kindly be considerate of what you flush down the toilet. If it gets clogged, your fault. That's what they're saying. Oh, maybe we should close this window then because the AC is on.
I was recording.
Guys, I was like 5 minutes in giving you a fridge tour, but I forgot push record. Sima survived. My chicken stock is still frozen and it survived. Chicken survived. My protein, my hydration.
I don't think it survived. You know why? I think it might have been in that fridge.
Like what I'm trying to say is like it's still frozen. It's still good. We have my hydration here. Tomorrow, Jose and Chochi are gonna be at the grocery store getting stuff while I am getting rebuilt. Reconstructed. They're gonna go get like papayas and veggies to put in my soup. Things for me, things that I can eat when they pick me up on Tuesday because I am gonna be staying at the recovery center with them. I was gonna stay there for like 2-3 nights because I was kind of scared that Chochi wasn't gonna be able to take care of me by herself. I thought it was gonna be like too much of a task for her. But Sir Tapia has joined the building and now I feel like 2 of them can handle me. Uno me puede empujar, el otro me puede jalar. But we can do it.
Yeah, are we going out right now? Like anywhere?
No, wait. You wanna go out? You wanna go out?
I thought we were going to look at the Pinot.
Oh shit, you didn't tell me!
I just remembered right now.
Yeah, I'm gonna look at the Pinot. We're gonna go look at the Pinot, guys.
I just remembered right now. Like,
He wants to go look at it before they tear it down. So we just came to the house.
Watching I didn't be there. It's already gone.
We had to come and like settle, you know. Right now I'm gonna find the spot where I'm gonna sleep. I had already given you guys a tour. That's my assistant right there. You see her? She's right there. She's the one who's gonna take care of me.
I'm testing out your couch.
She's getting a massage first. But anyways.
Does that massage your legs too?
Allegedly, it hasn't touched me at all.
Are you sure? Have you moved it?
Yeah. You didn't turn it off all the way. It was still massaging whenever I sat down.
Oh, yeah, so it was only on the waist. Let's put everything where it goes so we can go look at this Pinot that Jose wants to go look at because he's old and he grew up watching Blood In, Blood Out.
Oh, I forgot that policy on.
Oh shit. It tickles!
I told you.
I don't like that. How do I turn that part off?
Put the zero gravity.
Zero gravity? Am I gonna levitate? Ah! I don't like this. It's massaging my scalp. I'm levitating. Hold on. Ouch! Oh.
You know you can push your legs down, right?
Oh.
It doesn't hurt?
No, I'm still big.
Anyways, let's fix this whole area up. La primera, Islos. Sorry guys, we're reliving the movie. Kill them, dijera Chochi.
Look, come here. What are these right here?
Thorns. All right guys, so
These are not thorns.
after
going through every hill up East Low, scratching the freaking vehicle. Watch. All right, leave it alone.
Look.
Babe, I believe you. I literally saw them. There's bees now attacking us. Anyways, guys, we have made it to the hill. Now we're gonna go climb up the $30,000 steps, but it's okay because we're gonna make room for some ramen. So are you excited?
Yeah.
Why? Because you always wanted to come look at the Pino?
Yeah.
Imagine that.
Oh shit. How'd you get up there, boy?
Oh, bro, that shit.
Alright, we're gonna go look at the car. Holy shit, dude.
Dude, there's two.
What the heck? That motherfucker scared the shit out of me.
Yeah, you're right. You see, you le remoliste el tocho.
Cause I'm talking like, hey, whatever, like, right in my ear, I'm like, oh,
Alright, guys, we gotta go up these steps.
I got fucking busy.
Let me catch my breath. That was super funny. Go, Jose. You want to be here so bad.
Let's roll. Uh-oh. We get the...
What is it?
Are we allowed to be here? Is this like gang territory? Oh, mames, estos pinches santos are gonna drive it. Here's a... You see it?
Yep.
3 years he's close to me. It's good to be home.
Here's your tree, Jose.
Alright, there's not just the tree, Chochi. See, that's why you're out of breath. And here's the alley where they do the Mexican U-turn. Anyways, there you go, Chicano U-turn. There's no way I'm gonna make it up there with my chanclas. I think there's a stand. Here's the Pino. El Pino. Look at him, he's so proud. And they have like little stands. People are out here selling stuff like merch from the movies. From the movie.
That's blood in, blood out.
Yep. Let me see if you know other characters. Let's test you, Jose, since you're like,
I don't know.
since you're the true fan here.
Since you made us climb a mountain to come see this tree, name every
I don't
single one.
know. Miklo.
First and last and actress name.
I don't know. I don't even know.
No, that's Santana.
Oh, hell no!
No, that's the other one. You're confusing them.
Who? That's the Santana guy. That's
Oh,
Popeye.
yeah. Oh, okay, yeah.
Santana, Popeye. Remember his name?
Magic. I don't remember. I don't remember his name in the movie. Or that dude. I don't even like the.
This is Little Puppet, isn't it?
I don't know.
Or is that the wrong one? Wrong movie.
That's the wrong movie.
Oh. Okay, guys.
That's
Sorry.
the right movie.
Sorry, guys. We don't know. We're not true fans, I guess.
It's been a long time, man.
Oh, babe, I want this. Look, guys. This is LA from the top of the hill. Oh, no, yo guys, yo me voy a partir la madre con estos pinches sandals. Alright, so I don't know if this is a setup, but they told us to come through the alley and then we can get like good pictures in here. But this is the alley where the guys are running away from the cops and they go, Chicano U-turn. Oh,
No Chicano U-turn, homie. Puro ricochet.
oh, it's right here. I think he said the picture right here.
Oh, yeah.
Right here. But yeah, guys, this is the alley.
Definitely says no trespassing.
Yeah, that's what you go like in.
That's if you go in there.
Alright, guys. No need to gang up on me.
Sorry, guys, she doesn't know the laws. She barely passed her license. Joystick. Anyways, guys, and I told you earlier that this is the alley right here, and behind us,
The tree. The famous Pino.
How do you say it?
Pino.
El Pino.
Yeah, this is when Miko gets out of prison and he wants to see that Pino.
That's the first thing we went to go do.
Yeah.
We're gonna go watch that movie right now when we get there to the house, just so Chochi can kind of like, you know, can. Porque está bien tapada. Dice this is elderly talk.
I brought the elders to come see the monumental tree.
Hey, look, and you know that we're.
Period.
We brought the elders to see the
This was their first field trip out of the nursery home.
Wow.
They're so excited, but we still haven't seen a tree in a long time. Aww. Now kiss.
Damn, that's messed up. And look, and if you see over there.
Oh shit, we're not done.
No,
Jose, go ahead, tell him.
No, look, if you look, you know you're in the hood because look at the barbed wire.
Oh, go touch it and I triple dog dare you. Oh shit. Damn. I can't zoom in.
Oh yeah, she's putting in a good chase. Let's get out of here. Let's go.
Ew, you're sick.
Fuck these chanclas.
Oh my god. Well, Andrew, what the fuck?
I was trying to throw him forward.
It's long. It's. Bien miada.
Hey, go get it.
No, hell no. Alright guys, on this episode, the last one was Sandal. She was messing around.
Now what?
Kicked it over there.
Go up there.
And it says, you know,
It doesn't say it.
I don't know, that thing has freaking poison ivy.
Oh.
Heck no. Where is it at?
Can you see it?
Yeah.
You're a liar. Where is it at?
Right there.
None of the grass ate it.
No, it's right there. Just go, babe.
Go, Jose. Triple
Where?
dog dare you too. Let's put your elderly knees to use.
Straight on my head, right there. On the floor.
Oh, I see it. Man.
You have to.
I feel like, I swear to God, I feel like I'm gonna get shot out here, like, you know, like messing around.
Just be think about it. Where? Over here, you can get in through here, but he's scared.
Well, I don't want someone to come out and, you know.
No, it's an empty property. Just step on the fence and go in.
Hurry up, see? You see?
I know there's fucking poison ivy right here, man. Come on, man. Oh man, you guys, they're sitting inside my foot, like inside my shoe. Oh, fuck. Get out. Oh, look at that. Fall out of here. Oh man.
Guys, estoy bien miada.
Oh, these motherfuckers cold. Alright, let's go.
My stomach hurts.
I was scared
We
of
can go get
stomach
what's it called, ramen now. Oh.
God, let's go. Like,
Oh, guys, that made me really
that's how
LOL.
you know that we don't belong here, man. Like, we're only messing around. Like.
Your wife, she threw her chancla.
Like this and throw it forward, and it went that way. Alright, guys, well, that was a little adventure, and I'm over here with pantuflas. Alright, we're gonna go home and then find a little spot where we can get some ramen for dinner so we can order in Grubhub or DoorDash it so we can have dinner, because I need to stop eating. I need to stop eating at 12 o'clock. I believe that's like after 12 I can't. And I need a shower. I need to shave because I don't want the doctor to see a big old bush when he goes down there. So, oh, guys, remember, there's dogs here. Hi! Hi!
Alright, we're gonna pass by these
Killer dogs. Hi! Look at him. It's okay. It's okay. Be nice, guys. We're friends. Okay.
We're gonna go look at the store now, the Cinco Punto, and we're gonna get some tamales.
Oh, look, the pinos from right here. You can see it. Guys, behind you. Ooh, poquito y se dan en la madre. Maybe you and Chochi tomorrow can come and check out this place.
Some tamales.
Yeah, get some tamales. You guys have time for that. We are on the last step. It is 11:06. I'm gonna try to drink as much water as I can from here to 11:30, because at 12 I can't be drinking any more water or anything. I already took my shower with that dial soap. Guys, tore me up. Like, ahorita if I smile, my face will break because I can't put nothing, no products, no lotions, no anything. And my sister's doing my hair so that my hair can be like out of my face tomorrow. And she's struggling because she can't put any products on my hair. That's the deal, guys. Tomorrow is the big day. I'm still not nervous. Oh, what's going on? Did you tangle my hair?
No, I just can't put anything on.
Oh, what's going on? I'm sure I'll be nervous tomorrow. You know what I do, guys? I just don't think about situations that get me nervous because I will convince myself to not do them. And I learned how to disassociate. That's my defense mechanism. So I just try not to think about it. I'm just like, okay, I'm just gonna go there, go to sleep, wake up, and deal with whatever's like the pain, you know, like this. I'm finished drinking some water, and then I'm gonna go to bed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow when we get there. Does it have to be that tight? Bitch, I'm gonna go there with a facelift. They're not gonna recognize me in my ID. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye. Bye. Bro, who in the Jurassic Park? Why does she laugh like a pterodactyl?
You weren't recording for real. It's because I'm big, bitch. You pranked me. Stop moving.
I don't gotta go, guys, because I'm being bullied here.
Hey, 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 dale, dale, hey, 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 hey.